filming? Okay.
Have you turned your mic on yet?
Yes, I have. Let me just pop that on. Last week, we came out and everything was overgrown. We had a massive pile of greenery that really needed burning while the wind was down, so we thought, give the caravan a miss and let's get to tidying this up, burning off and making it a snake-proof environment. But this week, we're back on. Welcome to Fee and Yo's Reno Show.
Well, we didn't get much done last week, like Fee said, but it's a lovely sunny day today, much better than the rain we had last time we wanted to work on the van. This is where a leak was. We had a puddle down here, which is not there anymore. So I'm calling it fixed. We did test out the leak last week when we were out here doing the yard work, and it didn't come through then either. So I think we'll cover this wall up today, fix up the hatch. This hatch is leaking slightly as well because it doesn't have any rubber around it, so we might put a rubber strip around that. And any other jobs that we feel like doing today. We might have to replace these. They've gone rusty already. They haven't been on there very long. They're already rusty.
Useless.
Should have got stainless ones.
Or we just coat them with something. Since Yo's got the spray foam out to patch up that, we thought we would have a look around and see any other parts, and we've missed this, which needs a bit of spray foam. We've got the wire, a new wire going out down here, so the old wires can come out. But to do that, I need to go on the outside, undo the screw, not break the glass, and pull them out. So, cross fingers. Oh, it's easy when you know how.
They're very aggressive pliers.
Well, I couldn't find a small one. I think you might have them somewhere else.
Okay.
I only had the big one. Yeah. Whew, I might give that a bit of a clean while I'm at it. She's a little dirty. Pull that out, that out. Does that mean we're going to take this little bulb out?
Yeah, we're going to put just a new LED fitting in there, I think.
All right, so they're all coming out.
And run it off 12 volt.
Righto.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go clean that. All right, all good to go.
Got the expanding foam gun out again, so it's just such a good way of getting the foam in all the spots that I want it, and it makes it really easy to control. So we're just going to foam it out, put those bits back in, and that bit that Fee already talked about. Yes. Squeeze it up. Yeah. Squirt some down on here.
Squirts.
What do you think?
Oh, I suppose it doesn't hurt. You did some there, didn't you?
Yeah.
a beautiful thing. Like a piece of art.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can be.
Reminds me of whipped cream. Makes me hungry for a cream bun. So I've noticed too when we were testing the leak for up there that the water was running actually in this hatch as well. And it does have a rubber seal around it, but it's not very protruding, so I might get put another seal on there as well. I think this hatch, we got it from a marine place, and I think it's designed to go in like the floor or deck of a boat. And so it might not actually work waterproof wise on a wall like it is. But we can make that work, we can fix it. Speaking of hatches, the next job is to remove this hatch I so carefully installed and flip it around so that it works with the toilet. Yeah, let's do that. So it's been Sikaflexed in there. I might need to cut all that out so we can remove it. I'll take these screws off first, I think. Right, let's see how well this Sikaflex works. Pretty well, which gives me confidence that it's the right product to stick everything together. But yeah, it's a bit annoying when you want to take that thing off again. And it's really stuck in there, but I'm a bit nervous of snapping the plastic. So, because the only thing worse than putting the hatch in the wrong way would be breaking this one and having to buy another hatch. Oh man, that is good stuff, that Sika. Yeah, got it. Whew. So it's gonna have to go that way, I think. Be nice if we could just take that piece and slot it in there.
Yeah. Oh, not to worry.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to put these on. I've hooked the hatch door up there so I can put the rubber seal around the edge here, and that should stop any further leakage. That worked out perfect. Just need one of these little bits. Across there. All good? Good job.
So the idea is, now we've got the hatch run the other way, we were going to swap this inside out because obviously these ribs don't line up anymore because we've turned it sideways. But for now we're just going to leave it because this is all glued in again with all Sika and everything, and to get it out is just more trouble than it's worth, so we're just going to have them going sideways just for a cosmetic feature.
That's right. Going to own up to our mistakes and show the world.
Oh
and it's
no,
okay.
it's not a mistake, it's a feature. Everyone else is going to want one now.
Yeah.
And what I'm going to do to hide this gap, I'm just going to cut a flange and go either around the whole thing just for looks, or maybe I'll just run it at the front here. I haven't quite decided. I've got a bit of aluminium in the shed, so I'm just going to use that and Sikaflex it down. Yeah, it's not ideal, but it just is what it is.
And the last little bit goes in thus.
Oh, you stuck it over top of the old one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Make it extra thick
Yeah.
and rubbery. I hope it won't come off. Time will tell. Enough to...
You got to slam it because it's tight. Hit it at the bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
And then... like that. Are you sure it goes? Am I turning it the right way?
Don't break it.
I'm going to let you do it.
I don't know if I'm any stronger.
Oh, they're just stiff.
Yeah.
I need to put a bit of oil on them.
Yeah, do you want to hit that with the hose and see if
Yeah.
it still leaks through?
Good idea.
Don't get me though.
No.
Next we've got this bit of aluminium that was in here just forming some strengthening for the edge of the hole. So I've trimmed it down and now I'm going to have to hammer it over the polystyrene up in here. Oh, it was easy. That gives me something to rivet to and screw the hatch to and behind there. Now, ideally I want to move, there's another piece of aluminium in here, I'd like to move that over again so I've got something to screw that side of the hatch into. That's going to be a little trickier because I'd really need something that runs from here down to here, and I don't have anything that long. Yeah. I had an idea. I've got these leftover rafters from when we did the roof, and it's lovely strong aluminium, so I'm going to cut myself a little brace for the side of that hatch where there's no support there, and that will do the job nicely. And that should fit nicely over the polystyrene and give us some fixing for the hatch on the outside. So that's the finished product, and it should just slot in here nicely. And it does, look at that. Beautiful. This bit here, this came out of the cooking area of the caravan, and it's the same aluminium as the skin, so I'm going to use it to cut my flange out of. And this piece here just happens to be the exact right length. I think that'll work okay. Go there somewhere. Well, yeah, best we can do anyway. Right, time to clean off the goo, and I reckon that'll be a fairly good fix. So here's the hatch. Fee's just been a while cleaning up all the old Sikaflex off the back, so she's nice and clean again. And that's where it's going to go. So we'll stick it back down, plenty of Sika, and job done. I have put Sikaflex all the way around it again, and should just slot in.
Perfect.
A few screws and that's that job fixed.
Woohoo! Look at that. It's just come out. You got to push it back in.
Okay, let's put a screw in the top. Right. Can you see if there's a little screw in there? I'm missing one.
Oh, look, you can tell it's a touch-up.
Yeah, but there's no way around that, was there?
No, I really don't think it matters, honey. This is the giveaway. If it was just like that, I don't think it'd really matter.
Yeah, that's fine. That's, like I said, that's a feature.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I could have put a crease in these, it would have maybe looked a bit better.
Yeah,
but
don't worry about it.
at the end of the day, I think
Let's just move on. Let's just move on.
Right. Should see if the toilet fits now, shouldn't I?
Yeah.
I hope so, because we're not moving it again. Okay, that's better. So that, look at that, perfect. Folds out like it's supposed to. Cartridge comes out. It's a beautiful thing. Now, why couldn't they do that on the instruction manual? I don't know. Anyway, job solved. Right, so hatches are fixed, leaks fixed, and these are the last little pieces we need to put in the van. So I've cut them to shape already. That one's going to fit in there, and that one hopefully fits here, like so. Yeah, I think that'll work. But I do have to, of course, cut the hatches out, otherwise we can't get through the hatch. So I'm going to get Fee's help for that. And what we want to do is just draw a line around. Okay.
Yep. Bye. Okay, see if they fit. Of course they will.
Perfect. Might put a joiner strip in there since it's going to be inside the cupboard.
Yep.
We've run out of the blue acrylic glue that I've been using behind all the other sheets, but Sikaflex will probably do the job better anyway, so I'll use some more of it up. Just try not to get it smeared on everything. And that is the last rivet on the last piece of lining. Oh, well, I've just realised I probably want a piece here as well. But I might do that another day. I'm pretty tired.
Yep, you've done a great job, sweetie. Got the hatch done. Got that done. That's done.
Leaks fixed, hopefully.
Leaks fixed. Too late now.
Yep.
That's good. Call it a day.
Yeah. What are you doing there, Fee?
Just testing that the rubber seal I put on is actually working.
Oh, then I should probably have a look inside.
Yeah.
Yeah, so before, water was sort of pooling along here. But I think that rubber seal has done the trick. That was another good day.
Yeah. Happy that that's all done. A lot of problems resolved. Does it go on?
Like a glove.
Oh, yes, like a glove. There you go.
Well, yeah, that was a good day. So way better weather today, and
Yeah.
we've been able to get heaps of stuff done. Well, fixed that should have been done right the first time. But hey, we're there now.
If you want to learn how to do things right,
Watch someone else.
someone else. We'll show you how to patch things up. We should be called the patch up people.
Yeah.
What is it? What was it? She'll be right. Yeah. All good.
Okay.
Let's go.
All right.
All good?
Thanks for watching.
See ya.